She guys watching. That look like you.
I'm on TV, man.
I didn't know you were famous.
Yeah, right.
Let's get a closer look. Oh my God. Oh my God. What channel is this? Is this BET?
Yeah, something like that.
Hey, where's that little fat kid with you?
That's my cousin right there.
Oh.
Shut my cousin.
Did you want him in the video with you?
Nah, man, that nigga just want to come in there. I don't know why the hell he want to be in this video, man.
I heard he cried to be in the video.
Yeah, something like that. He said he want to be in, but he got in there for free. They had to pay his ass. You feel me?
Oh, so he didn't get paid? Wow. I didn't know you were famous.
Now, see what else we got on TV.
Wait a minute. What was that?
See you.
Who's this?
I'm my cousin. That's my girl, Anna, right there.
Speed this one up. Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Mac.
Oh, what is that?
Come on, what's that? Didn't even see that.
Damn, it's black.
What's that?
Black.
Regarde, é isso.
Black.
Eu assim, eu só assim, nova TV.
Black.
É, guru, da isso aqui. ايش راه ايش ابانه ايش ايش ايش
Can't really see it because the camera's
cut
black.
cut 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 cut